Alright, so opening up coilovers for the daily BFO brand. Pretty sturdy. Top hat swivels. It's nice. Comes with adjustable sway bar link, spanner wrenches. My head gasket for the motor came in for the D16, so we'll start getting that thing put together. The Gates timing belt and water pump should be here soon. The daily also got some sway bar additions. Got some polishing pads. Alright. Ooh, we'll drop that one. We got rear coilovers today. I'm about to take the rear wheels off. After soldering the ground wire on the inside, take this thing all apart. It works again, but we're gonna see if it still has that same power. Pull that down, pull the pin. Just gonna go across, and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, way down there. You're gonna push it up, and then pull it back. So the third brake light comes off. That for right now. One on each side, holding it down. Basically, when you get to that point, you're gonna peel that back, sit right up there. You don't gotta disconnect nothing. So you're gonna have your top hat bolts right there. 1, 2, 3. Pretty good. I'll go back in and tighten those after. Yeah, somebody's getting it. Yeah, it looks pretty spot on to me. It's pretty squared. Okay. Obviously, we're gonna need an alignment still, but it's good to go with for right now. Alright, so we just finished up tightening everything. I was just assembling the back panel. Make sure you pull the wire through the top there and making it work. So we got the exhaust. It's pretty busted on the back side. Yeah, it's almost broke all the way through.